Underground mining is vital for critical mineral production, supplying resources like copper and nickel, powering our modern, renewable technologies while limiting surface impact.
What is underground mining? It is a method of extracting resources from beneath the earth. Miners create shafts and tunnels to access the deposit.
Critical minerals are the backbone of modern technology, from the batteries in our electric vehicles to the wind turbines powering our grid. Securing their supply is vital for our future.
Some mineral deposits begin near the surface, but as extraction progresses deeper, other deposits beneath the surface and can only be accessed through underground workings. Copper is critical for global electrification. Major deposits are mined deep underground. Advanced methods allow for efficient extraction, meeting the demands of our future grid.
Nickel and cobalt are produced from underground deposits. Nickel is used in stainless steel and underground methods are used. The method depends on logical conditions.
Modern mines rely on specialized machinery. Powerful loaders and trucks operate in confined spaces. Equipment reliability is vital deep underground.
Technology is changing underground mining. Sensors monitor conditions in real time. Remote operation keeps workers safe. AI optimizes production and efficiency. Traditional diesel equipment releases exhaust and heat. Battery electric loaders produce no diesel exhaust. This reduces ventilation requirements and heat. Shifting to mining critical minerals requires strict safety standards. Real-time monitoring and automation protect workers underground. Training ensures sessionals manage these advanced systems, making underground mining has a smaller footprint but still impacts the environment. Operations require water, energy, and strict waste management. Companies, renewables, and electric equipment. Mining is only one part of the supply equation. Recycling recovers valuable metals from batteries, but demand is soaring and many minerals remain locked mining and recycling. Advanced modeling unlocks the future of precision mining. Maximize safety and flow. Electric equipment reduces carbon intensity, vital solutions for the deepest resources. Deep beneath the Earth's surface lie the critical minerals we need. Underground mining provides access to copper, nickel, and cobalt. Through innovation and responsible management,